Hello and welcome to Group 10's Assembly. This week our assembly is on World Human Rights Day. World Human Rights Day is on
the 10th of December, and the basic human rights for a human being is equality, freedom, peace, hope, dignity, rule of law, prosperity and justice.
Human rights are universal, which means no matter your race, ethnicity, religion or ability, everybody has the right to human rights. This links to our articles. For example, Article 12, which is every child has a right to a voice.
And Article 28, every child has a right to education and to fulfil to the best of their potential, where teachers are to support them.
Article 2 also links to basic human rights, as it states that the Convention applies to everybody.
And this is in line of Article 16, which states that every child has a right to privacy and the law should protect the child's private, family and home life. And this is in line of the GDPR Act, General Data Protection Act 2018, which states that every child and every individual has a right to data protection and privacy.
We have been exploring our rights through creating our class charter. How could you explore rights on the 10th of December?